This is a gaming monitor. The model number is a VG248QG. Is from ASUS. The customer said the monitor it doesn't work at all. He said he doesn't see no light, but there is the light over there. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It said ASUS over there. Yeah, it said ASUS over there. But there is a display, but no backlight, so that's the problem. That's the backlight connectors. Alright, the monitor is being plugged and we have 19 volt. Yeah, 19 volt over there. The monitor is off. Let me power it on. That's the output diode. You can see we have like 30 something volt. That's more than the 19 volt. So there is some boosting in this IC. So we have MOSFET, and if we have a voltage here more than the input, that's 19 volt, it means this IC is boosting here. (700) 3.3 0 0 19 3.3. Now it's going down because the monitor is off. Let's power it on again. Okay, the monitor is on. You can see the voltages go up. It's mean the MOSFET and the IC is doing the job, boosting the voltage, but I'm not sure if this is enough. Yeah, it could be this is the adjust because it's a 700 and this is the backlight enable. No, that's still 3.3 over there. Okay, let's see. must be 0 volt, 3, 3, and 2.8. You can see now it's go all the way to 2.8, but still the backlight is not turning on. Could be the backlight strip is bad, so let's check that. Gonna need to use the LED tester. Yeah, that's the 30 something volt. It's go from this diode and it's go to these pins right here. So the two middle pins are the positive side. So right here and 15. No, this. Let's flip it. Or 50 volt. So the backlight, it turns on at the 50 volt. You can see it over there, and they did see the backlight right here. Here is another 50 volt. These two strips has the same voltage. This means they are good. Okay, and let's switch to the second positive. Okay, it's a 50 volt. Look right here, you're gonna see the light goes on. And here is a 50 volt. Okay, now it's more clear. See it right there. 50 volt. All the backlights are 50 volt. Yeah, so all the section of the backlight are 50 volt. There is a 4 section here. 2 positive and 4 negative. But why is not Alright, let's check this MOSFET. Yeah, no short in the MOSFET. This diode must be work because we have voltage. This one, it's good. So basically it could be the IC is bad itself, because this IC here is switching the negative sides of the LEDs to the ground to turn, like to close the circuit. Yeah, for that we can try another repair, like using a universal LED board. I do have a couple different ones here, and we'll see which one is going to fit better with these connectors and the size. Then we'll go from it. Yeah, I do have these 3 universal backlight board, LED backlight board, this one and this one and this one. So I was trying to use this one, but this one, it's look, it will work. The backlight connector is kind of the same. We have 2 positive, the middle pins, and the negative, the 3 of them is over there. Then all we need is the VCC, ground, enable, and adjust. 4 wires. So this connector right here, it fits this way, so I'm going to cut these wires, try to use it. Okay, we need 1 VCC, so this one is going to be the VCC. And and we need one adjust. Can put this one as a VCC right here. That's the adjust. This is the VCC. The number 3, it's the enable. Enable, then one empty and the ground. Just we use one of these wires as the ground. Okay, we have adjust, we have enable, the backlight enable, we have the ground, and we have the VCC. So that's what we need. So this is the voltage when I check them. We have 19 at the first pin. So we have 19 right here. And that's gonna be the VCC. These 2 pins are the ground. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 5 it should be the enable. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the adjust, because when I measure it, it was like go between 3 and 1.9. Yeah, see the backlight? Yeah, I did see the backlight goes on and off. The backlight is on. You can see it over there. Yeah, the monitor in the sleep mode. Yeah, the monitor is on. I did see it. Let's see how we're gonna put this one together. So we need to put a cover right here, and can use this double side tape. Yep, it works. You can see no signal. Yes, detecting the signal. Yeah, it's working. I hear the sound.